Hi, this is Nilcia. I did my surgery on Tuesday the 29th, so this is my fourth date of my surgery. I have a tummy tuck, and here are my drains, and also I still have a little bit of inflammation. So my doctor said like in 1 or 2 months it will come back to normal. So I'm so excited to see how my new belly looks like, and also I can stand, I can walk. So I think it depends of the type of doctor that do the surgery, and also the type of your body. I'm very glad that I haven't gone through all those pains. The only thing that bothers me just a little bit sometimes is one of the drains, but then it's just like for a little. And also sometimes I used to go to the bathroom every day, so now I only go, but I can't do my other stuff because I have a lot of constipation too. So I'm started drinking milk of magnesia to see if it works. That's the only 2 issues that I have. But besides that, the surgery doesn't bother me or nothing. So let's see. My doctor is gonna see me on Monday. He's gonna take one of the drains out, and then on Wednesday the other one. So hopefully I don't have to deal with the drains anymore. Bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching, and I will keep you guys posted again. Bye.